Okay, the next thing we need to do is to make our fly shield. For this, we are going to use a rectangle. I'm going to use a little bit different dimensions than I did originally. So with our rectangle tool, we can left click on the desktop. Our width is now going to be 1.5 inches, which will be the same as our fly facing. And the height is going to be 7 inches, which is the distance of our line here. And once that's done, we can hit OK. I'm going to position it where it needs to be eventually. Before I sew it to my pant leg, I do want to create a layer clone under. And with it highlighted, I'm going to go ahead and bond it. And I'm then going to strengthen it. And then in my 3D window, I'm going to make sure it is superimposed under. It was already. There it is. And now I'm going to sew my zipper shield to my pant with just a simple sew. Okay. You can position this a little bit closer to your pants if you'd like to before simulating. That's always handy. Again, make sure anytime you move that you superimpose under your shield. You can select both pieces together and move them together so they're a little bit closer to where they need to be eventually. Always helps the system. And then you can go ahead and simulate. Okay, so it looks pretty good. We can also move this around if we want to. Help position this up a little bit more. Okay. So before we do any more offset lines, I'm going to show you one thing that would be particularly helpful in simulating the zipper. It already looks like it's folded, but we are going to fold it more specifically by hiding our avatar. We're going to look inside so we can get a good view of what's going on and how things are moving. And with our fold tool, I'm going to select these lines and fold them inward a bit. Now we do have 2 lines here because we have 2 pieces. We'll need to fold them independently. We're going to fold them toward the body so that they are kind of out of the way of the zipper. This is a trick that Stacy discovered. So we're going to fold them out of the way toward the body, getting them out of the way of the zipper. And in the next video, I'll show about creating our offset lines and then setting the zipper itself.